Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to clear watch history in Netflix and how you can remove titles from your viewing history. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, and after that, go and click on My Netflix. Click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. So there is multiple options for you to view the watch history. The first one is Privacy and Data Settings. And as you can see here, you will find an option called Viewing Activity. Click on it. And here you can see your watch history. For example, if I want to delete something, I can delete it like that. And it's so simple and easy. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.